So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Glaze, and you guys, in this video, I am super excited. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited, you guys, because I am going to start a series. I'm going to start a series where I'm going to recreate nail design, nail arts from celebrities and influencers. So you guys, I'm so excited about this. In this video, I'm going to recreate the Gucci nails from Billie Eilish. You guys, you have to just watch this video. You just have to watch this video to see what I've been through, you guys. But I made it work. I will tell you everything about it in the video. But you guys, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, because we're almost at 30k and I'm going to do a big giveaway, you guys. So don't forget to share this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I always like to start spraying some alcohol. This is to sanitize and also to make the cuticles a little bit softer before pushing them back. And next, I'm using my sanding band to get off the natural shine from the nails. And now I'm applying the nail tips. So as you can see, the index finger is shorter than the other ones. The pink is also shorter, so I'm going to apply an extra tip on these nails. And when it's dry, I'm going to cut them off to make sure the nails are even. And yeah, I just wanted these nails to be really long for this nail design. Billie's nails were square, so we are also shaping these nails square. I'm using my sanding band again to blend in the nail tip with the natural nail. Next, I'm cutting the excess cuticles off with my cuticle scissors. And you guys, if you're going to do this at home, make sure you know what you're doing, because you can easily cut your clients. So be careful. So as always, I'm applying 2 coats of my super bond, and after that I'm going to apply a thin layer of clear acrylic to protect the natural nail from staining and also from lifting. Next, I'm using this color from Tones that I've also used in my wheat nails. If you didn't see that video yet, I'm going to put the link down in the description box below. And you guys, just look at this footage. I'm not going to speed it up so you can see how satisfying this is. And after applying the green color, I'm going to encapsulate the nail with clear acrylic. And I've done it to all the nails, and this is how they look. And you guys, just take a moment and see how clean this is at the cuticle area. Just look at it. Just look. Now I'm going to file the nails with my medium grit bit, and after using my medium grit bit, I'm using my tapered shape bit to file at the cuticle area. Now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape of the nails. And this is how the nails look so far. And you guys, this was the easy part. Now my life is turning into hell. No, I'm just kidding. Now I'm just mixing some green gel polish with some white gel polish to make the color more opaque. And I've grabbed a nail tip to just practice and see how I'm gonna paint this Gucci pattern and if it's easy. But you guys know this wasn't easy at all. I had a lot of fun doing it, but you guys, it wasn't easy. So after practicing on the nail tip, now I'm going to the real deal, you guys. You will see on the footage how many times I've just wiped the whole thing off and start over again. You guys, just look at the footage, just look. And you guys, this is not all the footage, otherwise you will be sitting here for an hour looking at me drawing and wiping these freaking Gucci patterns. And yes, you guys, after 1 hour just drawing and wiping, I've just wiped it off again. But now we are getting better at it and it looks pretty good. So I will keep drawing and wiping and drawing and wiping till you're done. So after curing the gel polish, I'm applying the top coat. And you guys, this is the final result. I really hope you like it. I have to say, I am pretty perfectionist, you guys. Yes, I am. And I'm not 100% satisfied with how it came out. I think it looks good, but I'm not 100% satisfied. So I want you guys to say what you guys think of these nails that I've recreated. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, you guys, I hope you've liked this video. So yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope you liked it. I really hope you have learned something. Don't forget to comment below what your thoughts are about this video, about this recreation of these nails. And did you think I did a good job on recreating this Billie Eilish Gucci set? Just let me know. I really want to know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. If you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And you guys, don't forget to share with your family and friends. So you guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.